What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. It's going to be something a lot different than usual. This is not going to be anything barber related, but I will probably throw in a code in there if you guys are barbers and want to save some money on some tools. But this is more of a documentation for myself, I feel like, and kind of like a accountability move or a way to hold myself to a standard. So right now we are at Crunch. Sad thing is I've been paying for this membership for a long time and haven't really been coming like I should. So I'd say I've given Crunch over like 2 years of payments and probably utilized maybe 2 months in the past 2 years. I don't know if you watched a vlog earlier where I had gone to the gym. I think it was like 28 days straight. And then I got sick. I know it was 21 days straight. Then I got sick. And then we went on vacation. And now I kind of want to just put into overdrive. So for this specific scenario, I'm doing a 30 days no carbs in a standard 1,500 calories, which I know is a very low calorie deficit for somebody who's not really been at it. And sustainability wise, I don't think that's sustainable at all, for sure. But this is just more of a challenge for myself. So it's gonna be like a daily vlog type of scenario. And hopefully people tune in, but I'm about to do something in this video that's like super vulnerable for me and kind of embarrassing. But like I said, it's just accountability. That's what I'm working at. I have been working on through a lot of injury. I have nerve damage and other stuff going on with myself. But these are all excuses. And I'm gonna lay all these excuses out right now. Like, for instance, the excuse of, oh, I'm too busy because, I have a full-time job. I have 4 kids. I do stuff with my church. I play in a worship band, play guitar and bass. So those are, let's see what else. What other excuses I got? Diet is hard because of the busyness of life, which I know is another excuse. I'm trying to think of all the excuses that I've used in the past. Finding time to get to the gym, like because of the busyness of my schedule. But there's so much time that is unutilized for things that are that'll better yourself, better your health and stuff like that. And so I feel like for me, I need to get this done. And one of the biggest things I was just telling my wife in the car is that one of the biggest disappointments I have with myself is knowing how to be where I need to be at, and knowing that I've been there before, because I was in the military for 5 years, and fitness is a huge, what's the word? It's a staple. It's a job requirement. So I've been there before. Before I got into barbering and before I got out of the military, I was a runner. That's what I love to do. 6, 8, 12 miles. 12 miles is the most I've ever ran. But that was a huge part of my life before. And after I got out of the military, my alcohol addiction got a lot worse, and I plumped up. And then after I stopped drinking, I started drinking soda a lot. That became somewhat of my new addiction, I guess, in a sense. So soda and unhealthy eating habits and stuff like that just totally caused me to go up to max. I was at 309 pounds. So right now, as of yesterday, I weighed myself and I'm at 258. No, that's just boxers only, 258 pounds. So that is where we are at the starting point. I was just talking about the military, so I'm gonna include pictures in that area where I was talking about that. So hopefully you guys seen those and you see where I was at. At that time, I was functioning at a weight between 145 and 162, I would say, when I was in the military. So this is a starting point. So let's see how this goes. I am going to be strict on myself and strict on my calorie intake, my carb intake, as well as track what I'm doing in the gym so we can keep that going. So one of the things that's gonna be hard is just having the nerve damage I have and trying to do cardio. That's the biggest struggle I feel right now. And right now, also my how much power I have and strength has diminished a lot because within the past year I've been very dormant, very very dormant. Yeah, low activity level just due to depression because of the health problems I've gone through, and just overall a lot of life has hit in the past year, and so my activity level has been at an all-time low. So we're gonna get our strength back up. And if you're watching this and you have any, I know everybody has suggestions, and I'm gonna get a lot of suggestions. I'm gonna get a lot of critique on diet, on this and that, and I'm open to hear everybody and what they have to say. But this is gonna be the beginning of something new, and then hopefully after this 30 days, take it on to being probably not being a 1,500 calorie deficit for sure, because that is very low. But today I've already had lunch. I had 4 eggs for lunch and bacon, which is because my mom cooked breakfast, and that's another struggle, is having a mom who can cook bomb food, a wife that can cook bomb food, and not being able to partake, like you used to. But it's all in what do you call it? It's all in what's the word that people use? Moderation. Everything's in moderation for sure. But right now, I'm about to kick it in overdrive for myself and really restrict myself. Yeah. But other than that, that's the intro to this session of things, and I'll go ahead and get some cardio done and some weightlifting and go from there. And yeah, maybe talk a little bit at the end about some other things that I want to say, and also show the beginning of what this is looking like, so we can see the progress towards the end. So let's get to it. What's good, y'all? So we got done at the gym, walked on an incline for 20 minutes after we did the weightlifting, and then after that, just been chilling all day. But I am going to get to some guitar practice here pretty soon. But before I do that, we're gonna get to the vulnerable portion of this video. So here is a disclaimer now. If you don't want to see a big dude without his shirt on, skip ahead like 10 seconds. But this is what we're starting at, and this is the before, and hopefully in 30 days we'll see a drastic difference. So like I said, you're not trying to see a big shirtless dude, skip ahead. But this is gonna be in the video because I'm just trying to do accountability. So here we go. Here's the front view, and let's go ahead and do a side. So in 30 days, we're gonna look at some drastic progress. I'm hoping for. I'm a very what's the word? If I put my mind to something, if I set my mind to something, I can get it done. I know I can. And this vlog series is just gonna further my motivation to do it, and further my my accountability to do it. So this is what we're gonna do. And I'm gonna be honest, 1,500 calories a day, that's gonna be pretty rough, but it's very doable, very very doable, especially if you're not intaking carbs, because carbs are very caloric. So yeah, had a good workout today. For the workout session that we did do 4 sets of each exercise. I went up in weight the first 3 sets. Last set I did some muscle failure by dropping the weight back down. I'm happy with today's workout. Was really good. We did chest and tries today. Tomorrow, hoping to probably do back and bi, or maybe just focus on back and shoulders. Not too sure yet, but I'm just gonna take this as it goes. The goal is just to get to the gym, and once we get to the gym, figure it out. But I am gonna make it a staple to do at least 20 minutes of cardio a day, plus the diet. And by doing this, I know we're only gonna see results for sure. Oh, this is another thing. By no means is this gonna turn into a fitness channel or anything like that. This is purely and solely documentation and motivation for myself. So this is still gonna be a barber channel. So if you're a subscriber, you're like, man, I don't want to see none of this nonsense, blah blah blah. I want to document this. I'm still gonna be putting out barber videos and stuff like that. So stay tuned for those. But I appreciate all of my subscribers, all of the people who've built this channel up for me. I'm almost at 9,000 subscribers, and I appreciate each and every one of y'all who have been riding with me and rocking with me through, from back in the day when I was doing all types of different barber company videos and stuff like that. I do want to get back to haircut tutorials and stuff like that, but just stay tuned for the more TPOB stuff to come out. I do have a bracket for the Psycho Blade that's going to go onto the plate trimmer. So that right there is going to be a game changer. I'm looking forward to what's to come with the brand. But other than that, if you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you guys watch this video all the way through, think of a witty title for this series. It's going to be a 30-day series, and I'm going to vlog every day. Now, I may put out videos every other day, but I'm gonna vlog every day. And so if you can think of something witty to call this series, drop it down in the comment section. Let me know any suggestions. Let me know any mill ideas that you have. Anything, drop it down in the comment section. Help your boy out. But other than that, hope you guys have a good day, night, morning, wherever it may be for you and when you're watching this. But until next time, God bless.